Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you've got the basics, let's dive into even more creative and delicious yogurt with fruit combos. You'll love these easy recipes and tips. Preparing fresh fruits. How you prep fruit affects both taste and nutrition. Here's how to keep them fresh and vibrant. Washing. Rinse fruits under cold water to remove dirt and pesticides. For berries, use a gentle spray to avoid bruising. Peeling. Some skins, like apples or kiwis, add fiber, but others, pineapple, mango, are better peeled for texture. Cutting. Slice fruit just before serving to prevent browning. For berries, leave them whole or have larger ones. Pro tip. Toss cut apples or bananas with a splash of lemon juice to keep them from turning brown. With the right yogurt and prepped fruit, you're ready to mix, layer, or swirl, whatever fits your mood. The next step is combining them for maximum flavor. Yogurt and fruit recipes for different occasions. Yogurt and fruit aren't just for quick snacks, they can transform into meals for any time of day. Whether you need a fast breakfast, a post-workout refuel, or a light dessert, these recipes keep things simple and satisfying. Quick breakfast parfait. Layered yogurt, granola, and fresh fruit. Start your morning with a crunch. Layer creamy yogurt, ripe fruit, and granola in a glass for a meal that feels fancy but takes minutes. Ingredients. Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla. Mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, granola. Honey, optional. Method. Spoon half the yogurt into a glass or bowl. Add a layer of berries, then granola. Repeat with the remaining yogurt and toppings. Drizzle with honey for extra sweetness. Tip. Swap granola for chopped nuts if you prefer less sugar. For a tropical twist, use mango and coconut flakes instead of berries. Refreshing smoothie bowl. Blended yogurt and frozen fruit. When you want something cold and creamy, blend yogurt with frozen fruit for a thick, spoonable smoothie bowl. Top it with seeds or nuts for crunch. Ingredients. Frozen mixed berries or mango, Greek yogurt, almond milk, or any milk. Toppings. Chia seeds, sliced almonds, shredded coconut method. Blend frozen fruit, yogurt, and milk until smooth. Add more milk if needed. Pour into a bowl and top with seeds, nuts, or extra fruit. Why it works. The frozen fruit keeps it thick, while yogurt adds protein. It's ideal for hot days or after a workout. Common mistakes to avoid. Even the best yogurt and fruit combos can go wrong if you aren't careful. A few small missteps, like drowning your yogurt in sugar or ignoring texture, can turn a healthy snack into a sugar bomb or a mushy mess. Here's how to sidestep the most common pitfalls. Overloading with sugar. Yogurt and fruit already contain natural sugars, so adding too much honey, syrup, or sweetened yogurt can push them into dessert territory. Sweetened yogurt. Many flavored yogurts pack 15+ grams of added sugar per serving. Stick with plain and sweeten lightly yourself. Heavy-handed toppings. A drizzle of honey is fine, but don't pour it on. Same goes for maple syrup or agave, less is more. Candied fruits. Dried fruit like cranberries or raisins often have added sugar. Opt for fresh or unsweetened dried varieties. Quick fix. Taste your yogurt with fruit first. You might not need extra sweetness at all. Ignoring textural balance. Creamy yogurt needs contrast. Think crunchy nuts, juicy berries, or crisp apple slices. Without it, every bite feels the same. Mushy mixes. Overripe fruit or soggy granola turns your snack into baby food. Use fresh, firm fruit and add crunchy toppings last. All soft, no crunch. If your combo is all yogurt and banana, throw in some almonds or pepitas for bite. Soggy layers. Don't let granola sit in yogurt too long before eating. Layer it just before serving to keep it crisp. Pro tip: match textures like you're building a salad, something creamy, something juicy, something crunchy. Skip these mistakes, and your yogurt with fruit will stay fresh, balanced, and genuinely good for you. Yogurt with fruit is more than just a snack. It's a simple, nourishing combo that fits any time of day. Packed with protein, probiotics, and vitamins, it fuels your body while tasting great. The best part? You can mix and match flavors endlessly, from classic berries to exotic mango chili swirls. Don't be afraid to try new pairings. Swap fruits based on the season, experiment with textures, or add a sprinkle of nuts for crunch. Whether you need a quick breakfast or a refreshing dessert, this duo never disappoints. Grab your favorite yogurt, some fresh fruit, and start mixing. Your taste buds, and your gut, will thank you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.